Have you ever heard of the phrase, money doesn't grow on trees? Well, according to Chinese divinity beliefs, it can, at least on succulents. Crassula Ovata, commonly known as the jade plant, lucky plant, or money tree, is a succulent plant believed to give off positive financial energy and bring prosperity to its owner. I believe my jade plant has done wonders for me, so I decided to propagate it and share the good vibes. Taking care of jade plant is very easy. It is notoriously known for being difficult to kill. This plant can grow in any type of soil and doesn't need that much water. You only need to water it when the soil is dry to the touch. Jade plant does well both indoors and outdoors. Place your plant somewhere in partial shade to full sun, but keep it away from too much hot afternoon sun. Under perfect conditions around late winter to early spring, jade plant blooms with beautiful white and pink star-like flowers. The leaves of the jade plant turn more green in shade, but in full sun, they get a beautiful red tint around the edges. There are many cultivated varieties of the jade plant, like this variegated one, or this other one called E.T.'s fingers, which I will talk more about in a future video. Jade plant also propagates very easy. All you need to do is to cut a healthy branch and stick it in some soil. You can also propagate jade plant from its leaves. I propagated all my jade plants from just this one plant. If you don't have one of these beautiful plants, just go to Happy Plant Store on Etsy and get yourself one. It might just bring you some financial prosperity. Also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this about different types of plants and how to take care of them.